Hey guys, I wanted to hop on here and tell you about this metal rolling rack that I got from Amazon. I really like it because I can roll it around wherever I need it. When I'm working on stuff, I can roll it out. When I'm not working on stuff, I can roll it back in the closet. I use this as an Amazon reviewer. I get a lot of samples and products, and I needed a way to organize them so that I could easily get to them, do what I need to do, and then move them on. And so I really like this rolling rack. I got it so that I can roll it out here when I'm working, and when I'm done working, I can put it in that closet over there, that walk-in closet, and get it out of the way. It's very easy to assemble. You see these ridges on here? There's little snap pieces. Let me grab one, I'll show them to you. You get these two pieces, and it's labeled top, and you put those two together on the post and into the ridge, and then this part, ignore my finger, I slammed it in a door. Anyway, this part comes down on top of it and locks it into place. So I really like how easy it was to assemble, and it's super sturdy. And I could see this being used in a pantry with extra kitchen appliances, or it could be used in a kid's room with their toys on it, or in a garage, or anywhere you need some extra vertical storage space. I really like it, and I think you will too. Thanks for watching.